Don't you come back no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. 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 What you say?
Islam is a disease. We need to vaccinate ourselves against that.
Hate crime against Muslims has risen by nearly 50% in the United Kingdom this year.
Religion is banned from all public spaces, and the freedom of speech is considered sacred, no matter who gets offended.
What you say? Hit the road. Hit the road. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back. Don't you come back. Don't you come back no more. What you say?
Terrorist group that justifies their indescribable actions with my religion, even though they've never read a Quran, is not religion. Religion is not culture, and sir, that over there is not my religion.
ISIS has as much to do with Islam as the Ku Klux Klan has to do with Christianity. Both groups claim to base their ideology on their holy book. But when you look at them, they're not motivated by what they read in their holy book. It's their brutality that makes them read these things into the scripture.
Don't you come back no more.